Okay, family. Tonight we're going to practice our home fire drill.
A fire drill? Like at school? That sounds fun. Ben, it's not a game. It's about safety.
Lily's right, Ben. In case of a real fire, we need to know exactly what to do.
So we get to leave the house in the middle of the evening? I'm in!
Noah, please take this seriously.
I always take things seriously. I'm the seriousest dad on the block.
Everyone listen. First rule, stay calm. Get out fast. Third rule, meet at the big oak tree in the front yard.
Can I grab my toy dinosaur on the way out?
No, Ben. You grab nothing. You get out and stay out.
Mom, what about the pets? We don't have any, but we should still practice.
Great question, Lily. If we had pets, we'd get them out too, but only if it's safe. Noah, you're by the kitchen exit. I'll be in the hallway. Ready? Fire! Noah, drop the cookie!
It's for fuel! To escape faster!
That was so fast! I made it here in 10 seconds. I was even faster. 8 seconds.
I made it in 5 seconds, with cookie in hand.
Noah, you ate the cookie during the drill.
That's not the point. But it was delicious, and I felt safer with a full stomach.
Okay, let's review. Ben, what did you do?
I ran to the back door, opened it, and ran to the tree.
Good. Lily?
I went out the front door, closed it behind me, and met you at the tree.
Excellent. Noah?
I went to the kitchen, and I may have made a small detour for a cookie.
Noah, the rule is get out, don't grab anything.
But it was a once-in-a-lifetime cookie. It was staring at me.
Noah, please. Wait, that's the real alarm. Everyone, go, now!
Mom, there's smoke. Where's Dad?
I saw flames! Small fire on the stove. I got it out with the extinguisher.
Noah, you saved us, but you went back inside.
I know. But it was just a small fire. I had to act fast.
Dad, you're a hero! But Mom said never go back inside.
I know, buddy. That's the rule. I broke the rule because I knew exactly what I was doing. But for kids, never go back.
But we're all safe. That's what matters.
Lily's right. Noah, you broke the rule, but you also saved the house. Still.
Deal. I'll keep the cookies out of drills. And also, I'm never making toast again.
Wait, toast? Noah, did you burn toast?
I was making a midnight snack. The toast was too dark. And then, fire.
Noah, you started the fire with toast.
I guess I'm not as serious as I thought.
So, we just did a real fire drill? And it was because of burnt toast?
Yes, and I'm very sorry. But also, we all survived and learned something.
We learned that we need to practice more, and that Noah needs to stay away from toasters.
I'll do a toaster safety course. I promise.
Can we go back inside now?
Yes, the fire is out, but let's open all the windows to air out the smoke.
Mom, I learned a lot. Fire drills aren't just for practice, they're for real.
That's right, sweetie. And you did a great job. All of you.
Especially me. I had the most dramatic exit.
Noah, you also had the most dramatic entry with the extinguisher.